Hey, I think I'm gonna buy some Crocs.
Cooking with your Asian friends.
Hello, and we're back.
Before cooking your meat, it's important that you...
Breathing.
Shut it off, Snowball, you crazy! Come on!
So hip hop parade. Oh, hey, oh, hey.
That's exactly how, I mean, they have been doing that all morning.
Oh, hey, girl.
He's a brute, I admit. He was built like a brute too. You kind of expect that like Biff mentality from him.
Oh, look at...
Who is that girl I see back at me?
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Pikachu?
Good job. High five. Okay.
Slow down. Grab, throw up, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall. Where's the catnip?
Well, hello, Mr. Kitty. Tiene presa, Kitty. Where's you going? Kitty, come back here, Mr. Kitty. Kitty, where you going? Oh, it's like you're my mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
Something tells me that he wants in.
Babe, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night?
Oh, that was Jake from State Farm Girl Chill.
Get off me, you
Look at her try to get it. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
Say hi to everybody.
Boom, boom, boom. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop.
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your high love.
Spike loves his new hat.
What? How are you doing this?
Whoa, back up. Stop playing, I'm dead serious. I got a girlfriend, calm down.
Say hi, little kitty.
Oh.
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
It's the kind of beat to go.
Damn, your ass smells fine, girl. Check out my ass. How's that smell? Baby, get your ass off me! Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good. Ah!
The bar's open over here.
Is he still in there?
Yes, he is. It has been an hour, dude. Seriously, I cannot wait any longer.
Are you serious?
You keep looking at me, I'm gonna put you in the fucking ground, I promise you. I will fucking destroy you. Make it my mission in life.
How to get your fat cat to exercise. Want a treat? Want a treat?